Hello everyone, welcome back to Kid and Food Diaries. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, quick, easy and a healthy and yummy recipe which is prepared using this rice starch which is obtained while cooking rice with excess of water. In Kannada we call it as ganji or tili. Normally this is not consumed, usually we strain it off and consume only the cooked rice, but it is highly nutritious. It has a lot of carbohydrates, so it can quickly boost our energy. It has some protein, fiber, micronutrients and many more, and especially during hot summer this is going to be really a comforting food. Usually people consume this during the time of illnesses like fever, viral flu, diarrhea, dysentery and all, because it keeps our body hydrated and it is an instant energy booster. I remember drinking this rice ganji whenever I had fever or symptoms of flu by adding a pinch of salt and a drop of ghee over it. That tastes really good. And today I'll show you how to prepare a simple rasam using this rice starch, which is healthy and yummy as well and very simple to prepare. We just have to take this hot rice starch in a vessel. We can take about 4 to 5 cups of it, and then we are going to add about 4 to 5 nicely slit green chilies over it, and about 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger, and then of course salt as much as required. Then we should boil it for some time until this green chilies are nicely cooked, and we can also add a pinch of turmeric to it so that it gives a nice color to the rasam. Let it boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. It looks perfect now. It's been about 10 minutes now and the green chilies are cooked. Now we have to switch off the flame and wait until it cools a bit. After about 5 to 10 minutes, we are going to add this thick buttermilk which is slightly sour. So I have added about 250 ml of thick buttermilk to it. So buttermilk should not be added when this rasam is boiling, because buttermilk has lot of live bacteria in it which is beneficial for our body. When we add it to this boiling rasam, all these bacteria will be killed and you won't get that much health benefits from it. So after that we are tempering it with mustard, cumin, red chili and curry leaves, and our rasam is now ready to be served with either rice, or even we can consume it in the form of soup as well. So if you are cooking rice very often, especially the parboiled rice, we get a lot of this rice starch, and instead of just wasting it, we can consume it in many different ways. Like this rice ganji or this starch can also be used as a remedy for constipation. So what we do is we take about a cup of this rice ganji and add a teaspoon of butter, homemade butter, and a pinch of salt, and this will act as a good remedy for constipation as well. So it has lot of therapeutic and nutrition value, and we should definitely make use of it. But this may not be a good option for diabetic patients, as it is rich in carbohydrates and it can quickly boost the blood sugar levels, so they should be cautious before consuming this. That's how we can quickly prepare this healthy and yummy rasam using rice starch. Hope you all like this. Thank you for watching.